Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it.
All right, you guys, so having kids and sports, your life is revolved around it. But that being said, so Aiden's in soccer. Kaylin has volleyball tryouts today. And then after that, she has basketball practice. Their dad is actually going to be taking them today. So I'm getting their stuff together. So I believe that they're scrimmaging today. So they asked for them to wear their yellow uniforms. So this is Kaylin's stuff, Amaya's, and Kaylin. They did not have volleyball for Amaya's age. And then of course the girls' water bottle. Their dad is going to give them snacks probably and stuff like that. The twins got their water bottles, of course, at school. But Kaylin and Amaya, for some reason, left theirs at home. So I'm about to put all their stuff in their bag. Well, I gave them my pink bag, so to keep their basketball stuff in, but down volleyball too. And yeah, get their stuff together. All right, so their shoes can fit. I kind of just turned them sideways. It's just an easy way to get them to fit. Now I'm about to put their clothes on top so that they have it. Packed and ready to go. So I'm also gonna put a headband in here for Kaylin as well. In it. So look, Ava, this is how you do the suckers. You stick it in the hole. Damn, if I can get it in the hole. Here, okay, that's hard. So we're just gonna put the candy.
Mommy!
What?
I said A said and then I said A says, and then says
All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. I need you, Please, if you feel me, throw your hands. This is
Okay, you guys, so we just finished putting the Easter eggs, the candy in their Easter eggs for school, and it's time for the twins to get ready for bed. I'm about to go get them situated because they go to bed at 7, but because they're in extracurricular activities, they are not going to bed at 7 every night because of that. So about to go and deal with the kids, and yeah. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another Veda. I'm starting today's vlog at 10:40 in nighttime. Let me tell y'all why. Look, don't judge me. I literally crashed. After cooking dinner and babe went off to work, I crashed. And I just woke up, and I woke up at like 8 something to get the kids ready for bed. You know, they were already going to bed. Aiden and Ava have pink eye, so they kind of just been in bed. Aiden just keeps waking up sporadically throughout the night, so I kind of can't really go to sleep. So I'm thinking about doing a workout. Why not? Y'all know I'm tired. I keep telling y'all I'm tired of being fit. I'm tired of being this and that. I mean, I've been working out here and there, but I feel like if I can get it in a little bit more, it will also help. I know a lot of you guys are at home and y'all like, I want to work out too, but I'm afraid. Or I want to work out too, but I don't have no way to work out. Go work out at home. You better get and do them squats. Go do them abs. Get your ass up and do it, okay? We're going to do it together, sis, okay? So with that said, welcome to the vlog. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm going to actually order some groceries as well for tomorrow. Like I said, I'm starting this vlog real early late. That makes sense. And you guys are just gonna have to we're just gonna go with the flow. Y'all just gonna go with the flow with the vlog. I want to have longer content for y'all because I was like, oh, my content's so short. It's so short. It's so short, and I'm 5'8", and my content is like 5'2", okay? So we're gonna post some longer content. We're gonna do what we need to do. I'm starting into my bathroom. I'm really thirsty, but I'm about to go take a pre-workout and I'm gonna go work out, okay? I'm gonna put some workout clothes on and get my workout in. So kids are asleep. Best time to work out is when your children are asleep. You cannot sleep when kids sleep. Sometimes that's when you can get the most done. That's when you can work out and get the most workout in, honestly. So sis, we're gonna work out. We're gonna work out. Get it together. Let me go and put some clothes on, okay? So I'm about to take my pre-workout and I'm about to go out there in the garage and get on the treadmill and come back in the house and do some abs. Right now my watch is charging. I forgot to put on the charger, so it's currently charging so I can use it when I work out and I can already start calculating. Well, that's gonna be for tomorrow. Oh well, it's okay, but taking my pre-workout and getting my day started, you guys. I just put this band on. We're gonna get this in, okay? Y'all think I'm playing? Okay. This is, I mean, I still look kind of the same. We're gonna get it, sis. My kids are asleep, so this is like the perfect time to work out, is when they sleep. Or of course in the morning, but I'm not really a morning person, so yeah, I guess I'll be doing it at nighttime. Well, it depends really. Because I can become a morning person all over again. My skin looks so flawless, girl. Flawless. Oh my God, you guys. It's hailing. Okay, hold on. Oh my God. vehicle. It's hailing outside. Oh my God. Oh my God, and it's big. Oh. This just threw me off. Hold on. This is cold. But, okay. It kind of slowed down. I got out there in time. Oh, fuck. Was not expecting that. Everybody was outside doing the same thing. Everybody. My neighbors were outside putting blankets on their windshield. It just started hailing out of nowhere. Ooh, I'm tired. Okay, you guys, I just finished. I did some abs, squats. Of course, I ran this time on the treadmill. Full blown, well, jogging. No walking. I started off like with a warm-up walk. I'm tired. It's 11:52. Perfect timing. So I might take a bath. A bubble bath because it's comfortable. So, you know, soak my body since it needs to be soaked a little bit. And then I will come back and talk to y'all later, okay? I'm out of breath, y'all. All right, you guys, so Ava's eyes are looking better. Well, hers wasn't as bad as like Aiden's, but Aiden's is still really, really bad. So he's gonna stay at home and I'm gonna take them to school. So I gotta go get these groceries. I'm really, really sleepy because I was up randomly last night, like I saw. But good morning, welcome to the vlog. Bye girls, have a good day. Bye Ava, have a good day. No, he's so sick. Oh mamas, I love you. Why she got her jacket on like this, y'all? Love you. Alright, so it's just me and the two boys about to go get our groceries right now. Alright, you guys, we are currently leaving H-E-B. I had to get a few groceries from the store. It's been storming like crazy, and last night it was hell. I showed you guys that, but it's saying that it's supposed to start storming here in a bit again. So we're gonna head home. I already got Aiden's medicine. Ava, I thought she might have had it too, but you know, I took her home just in case yesterday, but she didn't have any drainage or anything last night or this morning. So yeah, I kept Aiden home. I'm gonna put this medicine in his eyes as soon as we get to the house, and then make them some breakfast. It's 7:43, and I'm not a morning person. And that light is so red. Your girl is not a morning person. I hate waking up this early. Why is this light so red? God, their blinker lights like all on my face. I hate waking up this early, but you know, when you're a mom, you have to. It's almost like you have no choice. So we about to head back to the house, and then I'll update you guys once we get home. All right, guys, like I said, I got a couple of groceries. We're back at the house. Okay, so I had to go give Bentley some water because he was gonna keep barking and being extremely loud. So got all the groceries in the house. Aiden helped me, and he didn't even have to. I told him you don't have to help me, and he's like, no, I want to help mommy. So he helped me bring the groceries in, and I'm about to put everything up and start on the kids' breakfast. Put your head back. Now his eyes look so bad. Look at the camera. Come on. All right, put your head back. Open it. Open it. Good job. This one. Now this one. Open your eye. There we go. Good job. Don't rub it. So I did get 2 different types of bread. I got this one, and I also got this keto bread as well. This is only 60 calories. This is 110, but you know, this one says healthy multi-grains. You got your whole grains, protein, and fiber. So, you know, so that's what I got. I'm actually about to, like I said, start their breakfast because Aiden's sitting there waiting on me like, okay.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they proof I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie.
All right, so the boys are eating. I'm about to get them something to drink. I didn't make him no eggs because he kind of plays in it sometimes. Sometimes it's a hit or miss with him. Like one minute he likes it, when he doesn't. He loves eggs, so he's gonna get eggs, watermelon, and waffles. They both got two waffles. And he's already started on his watermelon. I should give him more.
I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks.
All right, y'all, I got my avocado spread. I usually like to buy the fresh avocados, but this is so much easier. Put a little butter on my toast, but I'm gonna just spread some avocado on it. It's just way easier. Then put it on this one too. Y'all, it's been storming, so just pray for us. Okay, pray for us. Power went off. It came back on.
What do that? What does the basket?
Okay, y'all. Don't mind my eggs. First of all, I accidentally cooked it too long, and I accidentally popped the yolk on one of them when I was cooking it, so that one's kind of deformed, as y'all can see. So, I'm gonna get my everything bagel seasoning. Where is it? And then I got my onions and herb seasoning as well. I'm gonna just, I cooked it a tad bit too long. That's fine. Put it on top. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha. You do like hot sauce on your eggs.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You always ask for hot sauce. All right, put a little bit of that in there. No, Aiden doesn't want hot sauce on his eggs, and he's always asking. So, here's my breakfast. Let's take a bite. I cooked it a little too long, so it's not running. That's fine. Oh, it's a little runny, you guys. Okay. Come here. Turn around, let me see. Open your eyes. Let me see your eyes.
It's hot.
I know.
Trap house off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit. Swim back with a full clip. They say I'm on a road clip. And my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they
Alright, Aiden's in his bed. Look at this. He's in his bed. He's about to watch some Shrek and relax. I am actually about to go. I'm gonna take a nap, y'all. Like I said, I was up late last night. Turn off all these lights. My kids act like they paid a bill or something. But I was up late last night, so I'm kind of just pooped. Now I have a lot to do. It's my fault. That's my fault. So I'm about to go take me a nap. Legend laying down already. He was falling asleep, so I just put him down. So it was so easier. So I'm come back. I gotta work when I get up though. All right, allegedly, that's Aiden's.
That's not.
The boys are having a snack.
Yeah, we had.
They're having a snack.
Yeah.
Tried to rip some up for him. Like he ripped it up himself. He ripped some of them up himself. They're gonna have a little snack. We took a nap, okay, a good nap. I'm gonna make them something to eat, but I gotta also get their stuff together. I don't know how this weekend's gonna go. I'm kind of just, because we have plans for Easter. I don't know, like I said, I don't know. We might end up having to do our Easter, shit, the following weekend. Hell, not even that, because I think the twins' birthday is that following weekend. It's just, it's a lot, because the girls got a basketball tournament. It's just, it's given a lot, so I don't know what we're gonna do from here. But yeah, I put my bonnet on, y'all. Look, we're not going nowhere, we're not doing anything. So I put it back on. I have no energy, and that's probably because I was up all night, so I'm drinking an energy drink. But I'm also gonna make me a salad and then get their stuff together and work. Their dad said they're gonna pick them up early. Can you hear it, Thunder? And then our power went out. Power kept going out. That's another thing. So this is what we're working with right now. And the boys are probably gonna sit down, watch some TV while I get some work done. Yeah, I did my own eyebrows. How they looking? I arched them with my little thing, but okay. Let me deal with my babies. Look at him.
This can't cut to you. This can't cut to you.
Is it good?
No, try this. You want to try this?
No, it's okay. He got his on.
Then I eat mine. Then I like this.
Is it good? Use them teeth. Use them teeth. Using the teeth, my two boys. You mommy boys? My babies, he's my babies. The youngest ones. Is it good? Is it good, Aiden? You want something to drink? Legend. Like, he get too excited. You thirsty? So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do as far as their clothes. I was getting a little overwhelmed because I'm just like, I don't really know what to do with their clothes. Like, the weather's crazy, like I said. Just, it's kind of confusing on what to do because I don't know if they're coming back home, what we're gonna do. Everything's kind of just all over the place, but it's so hard. I wish that they had clothes over at their dad's house because this will make my life so much easier. Like, it's just stuff everywhere. All right, so this is some of the kids' Easter clothes. I don't know, y'all. Like, this is some of it. I went live for a little bit, trying to calm myself down, y'all. I've been really overwhelmed. Like, look at my counter. This stuff just everywhere, and I'm just trying to get organized and, you know, with everything. This is the part that I dislike when they go to their dad's house. It's just all the packing, trying to get everything together. I'm like, just keep some of this stuff at your house so that I'm not trying to fiercely pack, and then when they come home I'm having to wash so much, you know, like. Okay, Ava was playing in my hair, y'all. So about to put that stuff in the bag, and yeah.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. But it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost.